What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. How are you guys? I know it has been a long time. Before we begin, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out a lot. And if enough of you hit that subscribe button right now, maybe we could reach 70 subscribers by the end of next month. With that, let's begin. Sometimes we have this thought. Why is it always me? You think life is hard? Think again. Life is always a test, and you can never expect it to be easy. There certainly are ways to make this test a bit easier. One of them, to live each and every moment to its fullest. Now, what do I mean by that? If you might have observed, we sometimes keep postponing things. Keep them for later. But let me tell you, there is no time like the present moment to do the things that you have always wanted to do. If you have goals, chase them. Wanted to tell your loved ones that you love them? Tell them now. Have passion towards something. Put your heart and soul into it, starting right now. Life never gives you guarantees. So cherish each and every moment that you have. Don't take anything or anyone for granted. Make memories for a lifetime because life in itself is a gift. Precious, at the same time, it's fragile. So make sure to make the most out of it. Work hard towards your goals each and every day because you only have one shot. Don't worry if you miss. Try again. At least you will live with the pride of having no regrets. As they say, live every day as if it is your last one. There is a clock ticking 24/7. Make each and every second of it count. Because one day, life will flash before your eyes. Make sure that it's worth watching. Above all, don't just exist. Live your life to its fullest. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. But wait, over the course of last 15 videos, I have been asked a few questions by my viewers. So I'm going to try and answer them. Question 1. यार एक वीडियो हिंदी में भी कर लेता ज़्यादा व्यूज़ आ सकते हैं. ओके, सो मेरा प्लान है कि एक वीडियो हिंदी में करना है, पर अभी तक ऐसा कुछ फिक्स नहीं है. ज़्यादा व्यूज़, personally I don't care about views. What I care about is the viewer experience. That XYZ person on the other side of the screen who understands my content, relates to it, and in the end likes it. That's all. Next one, face reveal. This is one of the most frequently asked questions on this channel, and I will be doing a face reveal very soon. Let's see if I can do it for my next video. Yeah. And also, we have hit 50 subscribers on this channel. I would like to thank each one of you who has been liking my content, supporting it, and I hope you guys will continue to do so. Thank you for all of those encouraging comments, suggestions, critiques, etc. All I would like to say is, this is only the beginning. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment. I really like reading your comments, and subscribe for more of such videos. So until the next time we meet, this is your host Pranav Suryendran signing off. Stay inspired, stay motivated. Bye bye.